Let's head straight into our top story this morning. Clashes broke out at an anti-Islam rally in the Norwegian capital of Oslo, prompting authorities to end the event early on. The group of demonstrators called Stop Islamization of Norway, also known as the SIAN group, and organized a rally near the Parliament building in Oslo. Pretty soon, hundreds of counter-protesters gathered near the ongoing rally, banging drums and chanting, "No racists in our streets." The tensions came to a head when a female protester ripped pages from the Islamic religious book. Clashes erupted, with the police resorting to tear gas and even pepper spray. Protesters started kicking and climbing onto the police vans, and the Norwegian police arrested 29 people, including several minors. The Norway violence happened on the heels of the Sweden riots, where a similar incident took place. More than 300 people had gathered to protest against the anti-Islamic activities in Sweden. Protests began in the Swedish city of Malmö, right after a protester burned a copy of the Muslim religious book. A large number of people took to the streets and started throwing stones at the police, and the police even fired tear gas and detained several of the protesters. Although the Muslim nation in the Nordic countries is generally quite small, recently millions of refugees have begun to turn to these nations due to the ongoing violence across the world. Almost all Nordic countries except Poland have given shelter to a large amount of Muslim refugees. But some permanent citizens now say that the sudden immigration has disturbed the country's social fabric. Meanwhile, the Pakistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs has condemned this incident. The statement says, and I quote, "Pakistan strongly condemns the recent incidents of desecration of the Holy Quran in Malmö and Oslo. The rise of such Islamophobic occurrences goes against the spirit of any religion. Freedom of speech can't justify religious hatred. Ensuring respect for religious beliefs of others is a collective responsibility and is absolutely critical for global peace and prosperity." That is what the Pakistan Foreign Ministry has said on this matter.